Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to create a PDF in Adobe Acrobat and add a clickable thumbnail that opens a website, video file or another page within PDF? Adobe Acrobat allows you to create professional PDFs and enhance them with interactive elements such as linked images, buttons, bookmarks and navigation tools. In this guide I will show you step by step how to create a PDF and an interactive thumbnail in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, create a new PDF. Okay, so Adobe Acrobat, open it. Okay, select create PDF. Okay, you can create a PDF from Microsoft Word documents, Excel, spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, images, web pages, existing files. So choose your file and allow Acrobat to convert it into PDF format. So Acrobat preserves most formats automatically. Okay, so save the PDF after the conversion finishes. Select file and save as. Choose file name, storage location, save the documents before adding interactive elements. Saving first helps prevent accidental loss of edit. Okay, so insert a thumbnail image. If your thumbnail image is not already inside the PDF, open tools, edit PDF, then select add image. Okay, and choose the image you want to use as a thumbnail. Okay, so for example, we have video preview image, product image, portfolio screenshots, website preview, presentation cover. So resize and position the image as you need it. A clear thumbnail encourages users to click. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.